Hey there, Meg Miller here, and welcome back to blog training videos. So I hope you're enjoying yourself so far. The last video we talked about how to get your WordPress installed. So this video we're actually going to talk about how to log into that, how to change your password, and we're going to talk a little bit about plugins, and then we'll move on from there. So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, and we'll get you started on your setup. So let's get going.
Okay, so go ahead and open your email that has your WordPress install information. And you're going to click on your URL to go and look at your new website. Let's see what it looks like. Ta-da! There's your website. So mine is a subdomain, yours will be a domain or a subdomain as well. And that will be up here. And this is the title we entered, and right now it's just another WordPress site. We have no theme. This is clean and ready for us to make our own. Okay, so in the future, to log in to your WordPress admin, you can either refer back to this email or and just click here, which will just add to the end of your domain this, which is /, usually it's on the same key as your question mark, WP as in WordPress dash admin, and you're going to hit enter. And this is going to bring you up to your login. So you're going to enter your username and your password. Your password is going to be this really long funky one, remember? And so that is going to be the first thing that we do when we get in. You can choose to be remembered. I usually don't, so I'm going to log in. And this is your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations! All right, so this is the home page of your dashboard, and this is where you're going to edit any of your profile information. So let's go ahead and do that first thing. Make sure you have your notebook handy so you can write down your new password, and let's scroll all the way down, and you see account management, new password, and you're going to click generate password. It's going to come up with another equally funky password. If you want to come up with something that you can remember more easily, I highly suggest you do that. Make it strange, misspell words, use numbers, use symbols, but use something that you're going to remember in case you absolutely misplace it. It's really easy to recover your password, but it's just much easier not to forget it at all. So I am going to enter a new password here. And it is strong, so that's good. And I'm going to write that down, and then I'm going to update my profile. Make sure you update your profile anytime that that's an option. Okay, wonderful. Let's go back to the dashboard. Excellent. So if you need to pause, go ahead and pause and do that real quick, and then head back here. Now remember, this is different from your cPanel information for HostGator. So don't get them confused. HostGator is where your WordPress lives. So try to keep that straight in your mind. So these are going to be your menu items for right now. Some of the plugins that you add might have their own little shortcut link over here, but you'll notice them when you install them. So let's get your first plugin installed. So we're going to click on plugins. And actually, before we install anything, you're going to see maybe a few things, maybe just a couple of things that are automatically installed. You're going to just select everything, go to bulk actions, delete, and apply. I know that seems scary. You can always reinstall WordPress and it will always reinstall everything for you if you need anything, or you can always look it up manually. But this will make your WordPress super clean, super efficient, really, really simple for you to maintain. So go ahead and click yes, delete these files, and now you have no plugins in the way.
All right, so now that we've gotten your password changed, make sure you wrote that down somewhere and you keep track of it. And now we also have a blank WordPress website, so we are ready to start installing those plugins now that it's all cleaned up and ready to go. So make sure you watch the next video and you'll learn some nifty plugins that you can use, some super basic stuff to keep you going on learning how to build your blog. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Aloha!